Okay. And what are you expecting to eat this side?
Hey, I don't know. Whatever you offer me. I believe you all. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, tell us how you feel coming to the
I'm excited. I am very honored to be here. I'm very excited. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And what do you promise your fans in Zimbabwe?
A move of God. It will be everything of Jesus. Nothing about me but Jesus. You see Jesus. You behold his face and you receive his blessings from above. All that he has for us for this meeting, he would bring. And he will come in his fullness. He will come in healing. He will come in restoration. He will come in his power. I believe strongly in his name.
Okay. And what are you expecting to eat this side?
Hey, I don't know. Whatever you offer me. I believe you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for the honor.
Ladies and gentlemen, relentless worship here ku FIC yasvika. It's just 2 days away. And now it's now Minister Michael Mandela. Minister.
Yes, my brother.
Yes.
How are you?
Tarisiva kama international artist edo.
Sure. Today we've received Sumisola and Ebuka is on his way.
Yes.
We are looking forward to have a wonderful time on Saturday, the 9th of August,
Yes.
at the FIC Basilica in Chitungisi. And the starting time is 12 in the afternoon and we finish at 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Yes.
And what are you promising as me international locally based artist?
It's going to be awesome. We're going to be worshiping God in a mighty way.
Yes.
Pandinchaga munhu wese anenge achimba munenge murengi, munenge mutengi, munenge mundege.
Yes.
I'll be arresting all of them. Yeah, no, but I think we're going to be having a wonderful time in the presence of the Lord. This is something special.
And this event is open to?
This event is open for everyone.
For everyone.
Everyone, everywhere. Yes, it's open.
And which are the local artists do we have?
We have worshiper Larry Gunda, and we have Tapiwa Masara as well.
Yes.
We have Karo Nyakoba, and we have Psalmist Student C, and UFIC Choir.
UFIC Choir.
Yes.
My tickets are under for how much?
So tickets for kids are going for $5, and the standard ticket is going for $15. VIP, we have run out of here. VIP is sold out, and VVIP as well. It's sold out. But we believe if you come and you need one, maybe we'll create space for you.
Thank you, Minister.